Hello and welcome to the tutorial on Power BI. In this session of tutorial, let's understand how do we drill down and drill up data in Power BI visuals. For the purpose of showing you the drill down analysis, I have taken a new data set, which is sales data set. As you can see, dashboard is also a sales dashboard. First visual here tells you the number of products sold by year, and the second visual shows you the number of the quantity of products sold by customer city and gender. The third visual shows you the number of products sold by product type. As you can see, there are different options available for each visual. This option helps you focus the data in a bigger screen, that is a full screen mode. There is another arrow option which hovering tells you click to turn on drill down. I am clicking it. As soon as I click it and then I click on the visual gets drilled down one level down, that is 2015 to quarter 3. Once again I click it, it goes further down to the level of September. As you can see from the axis portion, this will be the order of drill down. First level will be year, second will be quarter, third will be month, fourth will be day, and then to product type, product category, and product name. As you can see, next click will make me drill down the data to the level of day. Okay, and now again I click on the number 12, it goes one level down to the level of product type. There are also few other options available on the left hand side. On hovering this, it shows drill up. I click on that, it goes one level up, that is from product type to day. Again I click, it goes one level up to the level of month. Now I'll go back to the level of year. There are two other options available in this visual. When you hover on this, it shows go to the next level in the hierarchy. Similarly, this one shows expand all down one level in the hierarchy. Now I'm clicking on this option. As I click on that, the entire visual goes down one level to the level of quarter 3. Now again I click on it, it goes further down one level to the level of 2015 quarter 3 September, 2016 quarter 3 and September. Further I click on it, it gives me all the dates in both the months of both the years, that is 2015 quarter 3 September to 2016 quarter 3 September. Now I'll go back to the earlier top levels of granularity. There is one more option, as I told you earlier, go to the next level in the hierarchy. I click on this, now I get to see only one bar for quarter 3. Again I click on this, I get to see only one bar for September. Earlier, on the other hand, when you click on this, you are seeing 2 bars for quarter 3, similarly 2 bars for September. Yes, you got this right. As you go up, this option will keep the higher levels of hierarchy while drilling down. In the sense, I click on this, it takes into consideration the year, which is the top level of quarter, and then drills down to the quarter. On the other hand, I click on this, it completely neglects the year and it goes to the next level of quarter. That's how it works. As you can see, the sum, the quantity sold is also 3033. But if you click on each year, it is less than 1500 in case of 2015 and it is 1565 in case of 2016. The sum of this comes somewhere to 3000, which is shown when I click on the second option, that is 3033. On the other hand, when I click on this, it goes further one level down, showing the quantity as 1468 for 2015 and 1565 for 2016. One more thing to note in this case is when your drill down is enabled in the visual, your visual doesn't filter or highlight any of the other visuals on your page. But if I disable this drill down and I click on 2015, the other visuals get either selected or filtered for the selection made in this visual, depending on the interactions that we have set. In case we have filtered this visual for 2000 for the first visual, on clicking 2015, the entire data would get filtered for 2015. But now, as you can see, it is just highlighting the data which belongs to 2015. I hover on this, I get to see the total quantity sold is 86, which is 2.84 percentage of the total products sold. On the other hand, the highlighted is 43, which means the data that is highlighted is that of 2015. Out of the 86 products which were sold from outdoor products, 43 products were sold in 2015. That's all in this section of the tutorial. If you like this video, Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.